when you are working with a large number of images, sometimes you may want to group those images together so that you can find out those images later, or you know that these images are grouped. So how do you do that? For that, first of all, let's select the similar images that you want to group. Here I am selecting these images by selecting one image, pressing the Ctrl key from my keyboard and then clicking on the other images. Now I have selected these 4 images and I want to group them. For that, I'll go to Stacks menu, and from here the first option, Group as a Stack, or I can simply press Ctrl G from my keyboard, and as you can see, these images are now stacked. Let's do it one more time, this time with this peacock. So I'll select one image here, press the Ctrl key from my keyboard and select these 2 more images. Going to Stacks and selecting Group as Stack. So now, as you can see, these images are stacked. So the first image of the stack will be the cover that will represent the whole stack. If you click on the number of images, which is 3 in this case, the stack will expand. If I want this image to be the cover of the stack, I'll simply select this image, go to Stacks menu, and here is an option that says Promote to Top of Stack. As I select these, now it will be at the top of the stack. When I click here, it will shrink the stack back, and as you can see, the new selected image will be the representational image of our stack. So this is a very cool way to create stacks and group your images together.